This 5-minute solution will show you how to use depth effect on iPhone. First of all, open your lock screen, long press anywhere, and I'm going to creating a new wallpaper. Tapping on photos, and now selecting a photo from here. Once the photo selected, all you have to need, pinch the photo to zoom in and zoom out. Then tap on this three dot, then make sure to enable depth effect, and as you can see, the depth effect has been added. If I disable it, here we can see the time is above the photo, and if I enable depth effect, the photo is above this time. So that's how we can use depth effect on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.